Hello everyone, welcome to Question with Answer, and Day 9 for Python Interview Question and Answer for 2025. If you haven't watched previous videos, please watch it. You can find link in description below. So, whether you're preparing for an upcoming interview or just looking to sharpen your coding skills, this video is absolutely for you. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. What is a lambda function? Explain with an example. Answer. A lambda function in Python is a small, anonymous function defined using the lambda keyword. Unlike regular functions created with the def keyword, lambda functions are typically used for short, simple operations that are not reused elsewhere in the code. They are often used in situations where a function is required as an argument, such as in map, filter, or sorted. This is the syntax for a lambda function. Here, arguments is similar to regular functions. You can pass one or more arguments to a lambda function. An expression is the operation or computation the function performs, returning the result automatically. Key features. 1. Conciseness. Lambdas are useful for defining quick, throwaway functions in one line. 2. No name. They are nameless unless assigned to a variable, making them anonymous. 3. Return value. Implicitly returns the result of the expression. Limitations. Only a single expression is allowed. Not suitable for complex logic. In summary, lambda functions are a quick and elegant way to define simple, single-use functions. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.